In this video, we are going to learn how to use Ellipse command in Siemens NX. So let's start. First of all, we have to go to the More, then we have to go to Ellipse, and currently we are into the Sketcher environment. So I'm going to click on Ellipse. Here comes the pop-up of Ellipse, and here are several options. The very first one is regarding the center. We have to give the center for the ellipse. Then it contains two more radius, like we have the major radius and the minor radius. So I'm going to just give the point in the graphics window so that we could have the demonstration regarding the what is major radius and what is minor radius. So I'm just going to have the point here. Now you can see here comes the toggle in which I can adjust the minor radius along with the major radius. You can see when I click here, it highlights that this is the minor radius, and you can see it's increasing the value. If I just drag it like this, you have to hold the left mouse button and drag it like this. And same case with this one, and this is the value regarding the major radius. In this way we can make the ellipse. Third handle is regarding the angle. Like if I just go to this point, so it highlights the angle. So whenever I'm going to drag it like this, so it will represent the value of the angle, like what value you need to define the angle here. So I'm going to just give the value as 93, and this is going to be as 270. Now click on OK. Now you can see we got an ellipse here, and we have already defined the dimensions. So I'm going to dimension it so that it could become fully defined. Currently this is partially defined, and sometimes user get the confusion like how to define the ellipse properly in the sketching to have the sketch as fully defined. So I'm going to pick the center and this vertical axis. So I'm going to give the distance as 750, and regarding the horizontal axis as well, this is going to be as 712. Now we have to define the major axis and the minor axis. For that we have to just select this point and this point, and this is going to be as 273, and we have to define the minor radius as well. For that I'm going to just pick this point and the point at last. This one is going to be as 563. Now you can see that I have defined all the dimensions which are concerned with the ellipse. Still it is partially defined. Why so? Because we are missing with some relation here. That's why it is important for us that how to define the profile properly so that it could become fully defined. So let's check how to make it fully defined. So I'm going to just pick this point and this point, and we'll try to make them horizontally aligned. Just select this point. Now you can see I have selected both these points, but this is not getting highlighted. So this is the case which sometimes we have to encounter in the software. Nothing to worry about regarding this, like these relations are not getting highlighted. That means we are not able to offer the relations to these 2 points. But here comes a linear dimension. So just click on it and drag it in the downward direction and give the value as 563 again. Now press escape. Now you can see the sketch is fully defined. So this is the case which sometimes arises in the software, and user may get the confusion that how to define this shape as fully defined. So here is the point, like how you can define it properly. So this is the proper method. Like I was unable to define the relation here. That's why the dimension was highlighting, and I have defined that particular dimension. Now this is fully defined. Like I am unable to rotate this. Like if I just undo this, so here I can rotate this like this. Like you can see, it is rotatable. But when I applied that particular dimension, then it got freezed regarding the rotation. So this is how we can draw a fully defined ellipse. Now let's come to the next case, which is the closed. Like if I just go to the ellipse, here comes an option like limits. So this is the ellipse with the closed one. Like we have the closed option as activated. Now I'm going to deactivate this so that we could identify like what is the change regarding activation and deactivation of the closed. So I have unticked this option. Now let's give the point here, and here you can see here comes the limits. like what is the end angle you want, what is the start angle. But in the previous case, it was a closed shape. Okay, so this is the basic difference between the activation and deactivation of the closed. So just click on OK. Now we have two ellipses. The very first one is regarding the activation of the closed, and this is regarding the deactivation of closed. I hope you can offer the dimensions to this ellipse and make it fully defined. So that is all in this video. I hope you have enjoyed the video on how to use the ellipse and Siemens NX. Please do like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.